Commercial Interiors Library. License Manager. Welcome to the Commercial Interiors Library License Manager. Please note, License Manager is a separate login from my Configura. My Configura is dedicated to the CET industry platform you use, including extension and CET license management. The License Manager for Commercial Interiors Library is used for assigning users and downloading software for spec, the Commercial Interiors Library extension in CET, Workspace, and Commercial Interiors Library extension for AutoCAD. If you are the license manager for your company's account, please be sure to watch the following videos on the Help Center: managing your company account, adding users, administering licenses, and creating notifications. If you are a user or manager user, please watch installing programs and updating your account.